All right. What we have here is the battery that I put together. This is 16 cells in series, 15 kilowatt hours of storage with a Dali 250 amp BMS and a circuit breaker. This is a mess over here. It's still a work in progress. But it's sharing with these other two batteries that are LNS brand, which doesn't mean anything. Let's see, we're sitting at 68%. State of charge, 300 amp hours. So I just wanted to talk about this battery option because, at least in the Philippines, those cost me 100,000 pesos each. And that was 9 months ago or so. So I'm sure they're more expensive now, but I don't know. Battery prices, who knows what they're doing. And this cost me 60,000 pesos. Now I did have to buy a couple tools like a hydraulic crimper and a couple other small things. But when you're scaling it, that 40,000 pesos makes a big difference. And if I had a bunch of these, like even a third one, I could maybe squeeze it in that corner. But a fourth, a fifth, now you're taking up this whole wall. And I don't want to. Wall space is valuable. I don't want to dedicate wall space to some bullshit batteries. So I may get rid of these and free up that space. Well, kind of, although it's under this, but I don't know yet. I may get rid of these and just add more to my shelves, because this shelving unit can do 5 of those. It holds 3,000 pounds. And this isn't rocket science making this. Check out Will Prowse on YouTube. He's got some older videos of his where he used to build these batteries. Has all the information you need. He doesn't really build them anymore. He just buys them. But when you're doing volume, when you're doing a high amount, or you think you might do a high amount, because you never have enough batteries. You always need to add batteries. It's just the way it is. If you keep your options open, you lose no floor space. When I want to add a battery, right there it goes. When I want to add another one, right there it goes. And in the meantime, you see it's storing crap. So I got 5 shelves here, 15 kilowatts for each shelf. And then I got these 2 over here. And you just wire them in. The cells will balance themselves out. You get the voltage pretty much the same. I didn't even worry about it, because the voltage on these lithium iron phosphate batteries is so close to the same voltage throughout the whole range. You don't even really got to worry about it. It'll take a good couple of days, maybe even a week or a month, to equalize fully to where all of them are putting out the same power and taking in the same power. They'll equalize, is what I'm trying to say. They'll equalize amongst themselves. So I didn't even care what the state of charge was for this or that. As long as the voltage was relatively the same, I just turn it on and let them all work it out, because they will work it out. It's no problem. And the good thing is, if you've got 2 and you got a lot of amperage coming in or going out, these 2 struggle. They don't struggle, but they meet their maximum current capability. And every battery that you add current capability. And so not only is each battery taxed less as far as using up their capacity, but they also have to put out less amps. So if you got a 200 amp load, these guys are sharing 100 amps each. Well, you throw another one in, now you're divide that by 3. So you can do the math on that, because I'm not doing it. It's early. So what I'm saying is that's why I custom built that. And there's a piece of wood that goes over the top to protect the battery terminals. But that's why I built that, and that's why I have this. So that any growth, you always got to think about where you're going to go in the future. Because if you think you built a big enough battery on day one, you didn't. That's just the way it is. And if you think you got enough solar on day one, you don't. So Whatever you think you need solar-wise, double it. Whatever you think you need battery-wise that you can afford, either double it from day one or plan for expansion. So right here, right here, right here, and right here. That's all my expansion. So that's why I did that. That's what I'm doing here. And that's why I may get rid of these and just go, or just take the cells out and put a different BMS, because that's another benefit of having this BMS is I control all the settings. And these guys, I can only view the settings. I can't really control them. So I may take the cells out and put them here, but I don't think I'll do that. That's too much work. I'll just add more batteries. But I got these off of Lazada in the Philippines. Just got the battery cells from the Philippines. It's super quick. That way I don't have to deal with China and waiting. The price difference is not much. In the Philippines, they don't really mark stuff up. They don't know how to mark stuff up. So you get them for about the same price you can get if you order them from China. So let's see what stats we got going on here. Looking pretty good. Sunny out. As you can see, 8:30 a.m. and we're already pulling in 7.13 kilowatts. The batteries are taking in 6 off grid. House is using 1. So that's what it looks like here at 8:30 a.m. The sun is on full blast and we're cranking in the power. You gotta love it. So that's what we're doing. That's why I'm doing it. And I think this is the best idea going for me personally. Just because I can add 5 more batteries and take up no more space. I mean, what's a no-brainer? I got this shelving unit from S&R, which is a local Costco type big box store. It can hold 3,000 pounds, so I have no concerns whatsoever about the shelving unit holding a fully populated battery. So that's it. See you around. Like and subscribe.